mixtures. Steel in concrete that corrode, especially in salty water. Industrial areas and places with chlorides. To prevent this, corrosion-preventing mixtures are added to the concrete mix. So imagine if steel bars go inside the concrete or nasa picture. Di ba, nakita ko is nagtaya siya, especially sa kanyang mga places na dimension there sa salty water or sa factory fumes. Then ang taya mo is nagpa-weak yun na siya sa mga concrete. So para ma-stop or ma-prevent kung mo ang taya is, pwede nyo i-add sa mga concrete mix ang mga corrosion preventing admixtures. Kanina admixture is kanang nag-a-act mo siya as shield na nakapastop or nakapa-prevent sa resting process. So, na yung mga ingredients na or mix admixtures para mag-work siya properly. The sodium benzoate, sodium nitrate, and sodium nitrite. So, kaning sodium benzoate is more nag-form siya protective layer para protective layer sa steel surface para ma-block niya ang rusting ma-block niya ang pag-start sa pagtaya. Then kaning sodium nitrate and sodium nitrite, chemicals ni siya or ginatawag as sacrificial anodes. Meaning, ang sacrificial anodes kay instead na ang steel ang magtaya is sila ang nagawag sa taya. Next is banding admixtures. It used to create a band between old and fresh concrete surfaces. So, banding admixtures is ina-add siya for ground, mortar, and concrete wood. And para mag-improve ang iyang adhesion. And also,
known for its metallic properties including hardness, shine, durability, ductility, and excellent electrical and thermal conductivity. So extracted and refined from ores, metals vary widely in properties when combined with other materials. They are one of many types of construction materials. So there are four main topics under metals. So first is iron, cast iron, steel, and others. So there are properties of metals. So first, luster is the property of metals that describes their ability to reflect lights, giving them a shiny or glossy appearance. So next is malleability. Malleability is the property of metals that allows them to be hammered or rolled into thin sheets without breaking. It indicates how easily a metal can be shaped or reformed under compressive force. So next, conductivity. Conductivity is the process of metals that allows them to transfer heat or electricity efficiently. And this means metals can easily allow flow of electrical current or thermal energy through them. So next, high melting point means that metals require a large amount of heat to change from a solid to a liquid state.
A small deficit in slab thickness can significantly reduce the service life of a concrete pavement. So based on the structural design procedures for concrete pavements, a reduction daw in the concrete slab thickness by an inch of 2.54 cm can result in as much as a 50% reduction in the service life of the pavement. So we have three techniques, thickness determination techniques. First, we have the core boring. Second is the impact echo method, and the third is magnetic imaging tomography. So what is core boring? For most highway agencies, ASTM C174, ASTM 2068 is a standard test method for measuring thickness of concrete elements using drilled concrete core. So the materials left inside the drill bit is referred to as the core. The standard core sample diameter for purposes of this test procedure will be 101.6 mm or 152.4 mm. Generally, the maximum thickness of asphalt concrete pavement to be sampled will be 250 mm. After the drilling process is done, the height of the cylindrical sample will be measured. So, more siya ang standard method